welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. Today I'm going to do a last minute Christmas Santa hat tutorial. There's no sewing required. It's really easy. It's really fun. You can customize it however you want. So I just got this Santa hat at Walgreens and I'm just going to add some fur on it, and I got some fleece and I'm going to cut out parts of the fleece, like the pictures on it, and just put it on here. So I'll probably just cut out this Christmas tree and put it on the hat. I thought it was really cute. This adorable fabric is from Joann. I wish I could just put all of it on there. I might, I don't know, it just depends. Whatever looks good. Me and Jack are going to help you with this Santa hat tutorial today. For this tutorial, you will need a Santa hat, you will need fur color of your choice, and you will need fleece. I got 3/4 of a yard of the fur, which is more than enough, and then I got 1/2 a yard of the fleece, just so I would have plenty of pictures to cut out of this to put on the hat.